You want this? Easy, follow my steps. First, put your picture. For example, I'm using Obsidian Gargantua. Cut the picture to 3 seconds or whatever you want. Click Effect, Add, Effect, Color and Light. Find Solid Color. Select your color here. I choose purple because it's Obsidian Gargantua main color. Add more effect. Drawing an edge. Find Edge Glow. Follow my settings. Add, Effect, Distortion or Warp. Find Turbulent Displace. Click Offset Y and put key from beginning to ending. Set the ending last key offset Y to -200. Follow my settings. Do the same with evolution like offset Y before. Follow my settings. Add, Effect. Add Edge Glow once again. Follow my settings. Duplicate the effects. Duplicate the layer. Select the top layer, and remove all the effects. You can still change the color if you want to. One issue, I can't move the picture with the effects. Select the down layer and parents with the top layer. Congrats, now you have the coolest aura effect. And now, let me introduce you the result. Is this cool, isn't? Sorry guys, this video only include the aura effects, not like the first scene I showed. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.